Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're cracking open a really interesting set of sources,
Mm,
all about those mobile games,
yeah.
the ones that promise you actual
Yeah.
cash rewards.
Yeah, the casual puzzle ones especially. They seem to be everywhere.
Exactly. And our focus today, based on what you've been asking about, is this game called Fruit Popper.
Right. Fruit popper.
So the mission here is pretty straightforward. We want to look at these user reports, some investigations, and
Yeah.
figure out quickly, are these legit or just, time sinks?
A shortcut through the noise, basically.
Precisely. Okay, so let's unpack Fruit Popper itself. At its heart, it's simple.
Very simple. It's a puzzle game.
You tap fruit clusters, they pop, you clear the level. Standard stuff.
Looks harmless, right? Which is, I think, part of the appeal. But then you get the claim.
Ah, the big promise.
Yeah, the sources say the app explicitly promises real money. And they even list, like, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo for withdrawals.
Makes it sound very official. Very easy. Like a side hustle.
Totally. Play games, get paid, what's not to like?
But, okay, digging into what the investigators found in these sources, there's a huge hurdle right away.
The payout minimum.
Yeah, the minimum payout threshold. The sources consistently mention it's around $1,200. $1,200.
Wow. Okay, $1,200. That's a lot for tapping fruit.
It is. And that specific number seems kind of deliberate, doesn't it? Based on the analysis.
It does. It feels engineered, like it's high, but maybe just low enough that people think, okay, maybe I can grind this out.
Right. If it were $10,000, people might just laugh it off immediately.
Exactly. $1,200 keeps you sort of hooked, keeps that hope alive.
Which leads us right into what the users actually experience, according to these reviews we looked at.
It's pretty consistent across the board.
Yeah, the word deceptive comes up a lot. People report, earning the first few dollars feels really quick, easy.
Rewarding, even? You watch an ad, maybe get 10 virtual cents. Feels like progress.
But then what happens is they get closer to that magic $1,200 number.
Well, that's where it gets really interesting or maybe frustrating for the players. The earning rate just tanks.
Tanks how? Like, slows down a bit.
No, like
Yeah.
grinds to a near halt. The sources give examples, people going from earning, say, 10 cents a level down to like 0.0001 cents.
0.00001 cents per level.
Yeah. So think about that. To earn the last dollar or even the last few cents to hit that $1,200.
You need to play thousands, maybe tens of thousands more levels, watching ads constantly.
Pretty much hours and hours, potentially hundreds of hours, watching these long ads sometimes just for fractions of a penny. It becomes mathematically impossible, really.
So the goal isn't actually for you to reach the payout.
No, not at all. The sources all point to the same conclusion. The real goal is making you watch ads. That's the product.
Your time and attention.
Exactly. The whole system, the easy start, the high threshold, the slowdown, it's all designed for retention. Keep you playing, keep you watching ads. That's how they make money.
Okay, so boiling it all down then, the final verdict from these sources on Fruit Popper. Is it a scam? Is it legit?
It's nuanced, sort of. The sources draw a clear line. As a game, like just for fun.
Yeah.
It works. It's legit as a puzzle game, is how one source put it. That functions. It can be entertaining if you like that kind of thing.
But the money.
That's where it's fake in terms of real money rewards. Unequivocally fake. Nobody in these reports, despite trying, actually managed to withdraw that $1,200.
Right. So the key takeaway for you listening is enjoy the game if you want, but don't expect a payday.
Definitely don't bank on it. That PayPal or Zelle payout, it's just the lure.
The bait to get you watching those ads.
Which, connects to a bigger point, maybe a final thought to leave people with.
Yeah.
When you see any app or system promising big, easy rewards, you really have to ask yourself, what are the mechanics actually rewarding?
Is it skill? Is it meaningful progress?
Or is it just rewarding you for sticking around? For giving them your time so they can show you more ads? That difference tells you if it's a real opportunity or just
Well, an ad platform dressed up as a game.
a crucial distinction. Thanks for breaking that down.
Anytime.